Let's get into LinkedIn video tips. In this video, I'll show you how to film 20 LinkedIn videos in one day, which is content for the whole month for you. Let's say you want to rapidly grow your network on LinkedIn. For that, you need to engage with people on LinkedIn and constantly putting out your content. If you'd create something every day, excluding weekends, then that would be our 20 LinkedIn videos that I'll show you how to create right now. First, I'm super excited about my setup. I tested everywhere in my apartment where can I film the video and where I can just sit and film many videos at one time. So here I got my pretty corner. There is a window right on the side from me. I use my iPhone to film the videos. And for the background, you see I a little bit balanced. I got my beautiful tree. There's the light which adds some magic and brightness. And then I got a couple of pillows so that will balance the stuff from here and this side and it won't be that empty. And if you want to know how to film your videos just with your phone and natural light, I recommend you to check this video where I get into all details, whatever phone you use, whether iPhone or Android, and all you need just to find the right place in your apartment or even outside, the same tactics you can use outside. So when you set up this space, if you use the natural light, you need to know at what time of the day there will be the best light. I also talk about this in that video, which I just mentioned. Give yourself a few hours, like 2, 3, 4 hours, where you can sit and just get focused that you film the videos right now in this specific time and nobody will disturb you. Then all you need to do is just film video by the video by the video. Well, the questions which often people ask me is, how do you get so many ideas for the videos? I do several things. First, I learn a lot, and every time I learn something new, I just write it down, some notes for myself, which I can easily convert into the either blog post or social media post and just share with people. It works anytime when I get the insights. Another easy thing which you can do to get the ideas for your videos or for your posts, you just go to LinkedIn, find where someone asked the question, whether in the post or in the comments, you can find an influencer and scroll through his or her comments to see where another person asked the question there, which you also can reply to. Then write a thoughtful answer, something meaningful, a little bit long. Put your heart there. It's kind of the conversation just online. Then when you do this, you copy the text and save it somewhere. I keep my notes in Evernote. Then when the time comes to film the video or to write the post, you take your answer. Well, actually you can create the video just based on that. Or you can add a little bit of your thoughts there and just convert in a little bit longer form or give it more meaningful idea there. You know what your audience need. You can just adjust this answer under the comment to the audience which you serve. And it's much easier. When people get stuck, they don't know what to post because they need to come up with the idea. You need to come up with your idea. Go and find what people need, reply, and create content around that. Now, the third super easy way to create video for LinkedIn is if you've been on social media for a while, you already created posts before, take them and create a video around the same topic. It's a completely different thing when people consume your text post and video post. They will be received even differently. And you don't need to put them together. You can have your text post and then maybe film a video which will have some more ideas which extend your text post. Feel free to do this together too. So people will pay attention to both, to text, to written form, and your LinkedIn video. And then if you need more ideas of what to post and get yourself filled with the content for the whole year, then I recommend you to check this video where I talk about how to find a lot of ideas that will be relevant for your people and that will help you to position yourself as an expert. So now when you're ready with your content ideas, put all of them into the Word document or Evernote, whatever, something which you can see. You can even print them and have in front of you. So you will have the text, you will have the outlines, what you want to say. I prefer to have them on my laptop. So here is my phone, I film with my phone, and on the side I have a laptop with all the ideas I want to film, I want to talk about. Because I don't want those texts to be exactly the same as I would talk to you. I have them here, and then I can read it and talk what I think about it again, and that will be more natural. But that's also fine if you will use a teleprompter, so you can read the whole text and create the video based on that. That will be much easier for you if you just start creating videos for LinkedIn. By the way, if this video brings value to you, please like it, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. And on the side, you will see a little bell. Click that too. That's why YouTube will notify you every time I upload the new video. And then because I film a lot of videos at one time, I need to separate them somehow, so I will know how to find the right one when I will edit them. So I use my iPad to write down which video I film on, or you can use a simple paper, just write down which content you film, the name of the content. Let's say I want to create a short video about LinkedIn videos, so I can simply write it here, and then I show it to my camera, and I can take either I can leave it in the beginning of the video, or I can take a picture of it, so I know that next content or this video is about this topic. That way, when I will scroll through the all 20 or whatever number of videos you film at one time, you know, okay, this video about this topic, because you will see the picture. And that's it. All you will need to do next is just edit them. You can simply cut the beginning where you click that record button, or pull yourself back to sit or stand somewhere so people will not see that. Cut the beginning, cut the end. You can use on iPhone, you can just go to iPhoto and edit your videos over there. Or if you're on Android, just look for the apps for that. There are plenty of video apps which allows you to do simple editings. Or if you want more professional editing, then you can use Final Cut Pro or Premiere Pro to add the captions or add some more styling there to remove the noise from the audio. All of this is up to you. But when you have those 20 videos done in one day, then you will not need to think that much about what you're going to post tomorrow or after tomorrow. You can keep posting videos every day, or you can mix them with the regular text-based content. And if you want to know more about how to grow your personal brand on LinkedIn using videos, then I recommend you to watch this video where I talk with Frank Mangard how he built his network within half of the year. And he did not have any knowledge on how to produce video or how to create content before. So check it out.